Today we're going to be showing you how to make gingerbread people. The first thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 180 degrees. Now we have to lay our tray with baking paper. Now it's time to start making our dough.
Then we want to add the egg yolk.
Now it's time to add the flour, ginger, cinnamon and clove. Before we make our gingerbread people, we need to make sure we clean up and recycle. If you have plastic and you can scrunch it up, it can't go in the recycling bin. Make sure to bring it to a supermarket for soft plastics recycling.
Now it's time to roll out the dough. Now let's make our gingerbread people. Now we're going to put them in the oven.
While we wait, we're going to recycle some of our rubbish. When you throw your recycling in the bin, make sure it's not in a plastic bag. If it is, the recycling machines can't sort it out.
I think our gingerbread people are ready. While they are cooling down, we can make the icing. I think they need some buttons. Before we eat our gingerbread people, we have one more recycling tip.
Make sure you keep different materials separate. If a glass bottle has a metal lid, take it off so it can be automatically sorted.
Have a good Christmas and remember to recycle.
Wait, can we eat it?
Yeah.